Hello and welcome to another Motivational Monday. I hope you're ready for a great day and a great week of success in making some new additions to your bank account. I'm here to encourage and motivate you to do just that. And today I want to speak to you about one of the strongest motivators to help you win, and that is the fear of losing. Nobody hates to lose more than a winner does. We have all lost at one time or another, whether it was at a sale that we were certain we were going to get, a bet on a sporting event, a bonus we thought we had wrapped up, or even a lottery ticket we felt was surely a winner, but it wasn't. When it comes to winning in this business, it takes more than a chance. In most cases, you win because you're prepared to do your best. You work hard to earn your customers' business, and you genuinely care about helping your customers accomplish their goals so you can earn them as loyal customers for life. The salesperson who wins on a regular basis does so because they know what the benefits of winning will be, and they fully plan to do what it takes to win everything that is available to those who work hard, believe in themselves, and advance their sales skill levels in order to win consistently. Part of that preparation is to recognize the reality of the cost of losing. The car salesperson who is nonchalant or indifferent about winning will always fall short of what they could really be reaching in the way of success. Winners want to win, and despite the idea of mediocrity or failure, they fear the stigma of losing, so they make that fear a great motivator for winning. A car sales team is unique in that they can stimulate each other to achieve their best results without diminishing their own individual chance to do great every month. A great sales team wants all of their members to succeed because it advances the department and the dealership as a whole, and it creates an atmosphere of success that encourages and inspires customers to want to do business there. Fear, mediocrity, fear of the status quo, fear of not having a strong desire to win and become really successful in this business is important. When you can do that and understand its value, that fear will motivate you to do your best every time with every customer, and it will drive you to your best winning performance.